Most men are tying the wrong knot, and it's making their tails stick out.
You're killing me, Smalls.
I'll show you the only knot an adult really needs. The Half Windsor is number 3 in the top 50 knots. Watch to the end to unlock a new level of adulting most guys will never achieve. Throw our beautiful picnic tie over your neck with the blade or white end on the right. A quality necktie helps this knot pop, and I have a discount for you at the end of the video. Slide the tie under your collar like a gentleman. Get the length right by making the blade about an inch longer than the tip of your right hand. Swoop the blade over the skinny end, called the tail, to create the neck loop. Sneak the blade behind the tail and then down through the neck loop to the right to create the center of the knot. Just 2 more steps, but if you wonder why this is the 3rd most popular knot, stick around to the end of the video to find out. Create the front loop by guiding the blade in front of the knot and then launch it up through the neck loop. Finish the knot by diving the blade down through the front loop. Tighten slowly by pulling up on the back of the blade to tighten the front loop and down with your other hand. Cinch the knot by holding the tail and pushing the knot up to your ridiculously handsome neck. Once you're done, put the tail through the keeper loop. If your tie doesn't look like mine, rewind and reduce the playback speed. If your tie's too short to cover the button of your trousers, get the length right at the start by making the blade longer, or shorter if it's too long. Voila! You're strutting like the Duke in your perfect Half Windsor knot. Want to know why this is the world's 3rd most favorite knot? It's easy to tie. You can wear it with all shirt collars and necktie patterns, and you can wear it to almost every occasion. People ask me all the time, what is the best knot? If you're an adult, the answer is this one, the Half Windsor. If it's best, why is it only number 3 on the top 50 knots list? The Double Windsor's the most popular because it's great for kids, but it takes too much length if you're an adult. The Four-in-Hand is also popular with kids because it's so easy, but it's also not symmetrical, which some people think looks childish. Congratulations, you've graduated from the kiddie knots. Celebrate on social media by snapping a picture, mentioning MyNiceTie, and linking to this video. I'm wearing a gray wool made-to-measure suit with white shirt and matching trousers. I went with my picnic tie, a classic summer tie for a classic knot. Snag it at a discount with the link below. I had trouble pairing the tie with a pocket square, so I went with solid navy and folded it with a reverse center fold. I have my initial cufflinks, which match the metal on my watch and buckle. Lastly, the strap on my watch and belt match my chili-colored Oxfords. I linked to this outfit below, including my signature scent, Coach for Men. Drop a comment if you leveled up with the man's knot, or if you still prefer another. Learn to fold the very popular reverse center pocket square with this video here. Or learn a ton more about menswear in general from our tour of the US with this playlist here. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you'll remember me next time you need to tie a tie. And as always, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.